Well, hello there. It's much later in the future than the first time I shot a video here, which I believe was August, early August. So much has happened in 2021. It's long past us now. It's January. Can you believe it? January in Toronto, and I haven't even got gloves on. But here we are, the Logan Avenue on-ramp and off-ramp. No longer here. It's all gone. Unfortunately, I have discovered in hindsight from taking this route on with a car as I used to, it is not as efficient as it used to be getting onto the Gardiner back there. Those were the days when you didn't have to wait and extra traffic coming from the east end. You could just get on the Logan on-ramp and off-ramp straight onto the Gardiner Expressway and get to a destination in the west of Toronto like Oakville, Mississauga, Niagara Falls, but no more. In fact, you don't really know what you missed until it's gone, and it is definitely gone now. A sort of bittersweet aspect of the last time that I was here. I'm going to intercut some shots of the demolition of this area that I captured in between the second video that I shot, which was quite impressive, but unfortunately they got rid of those archways, the metal archways that were leading out, that were actually the original supports for the Gardiner on that side. Had a very sort of Chicago feel to me, having those in place, and I kind of wish that they had kept those, because that would have been a kind of interesting gateway to this section of the city. Now that being said, there's a massive amount of dirt behind me here, and this whole section of Toronto essentially is only open for vehicular traffic, because this entire area, formerly known as the Docklands or Portlands, is now being reconstructed into a massive park project, and probably eventually a residential project as well, although there's no immediate plans. There's a lot of different developments that have been proposed for the Toronto waterfront over the years, including Harbour City from 1970 to today. The area behind me was originally the Portlands and was heavily industrialized in the early part of the 20th century, and because of that, all the soil that you see behind me is slightly radioactive. Lots of radon that has to be dug up and repurposed and decontaminated before they can actually build on this site again. But why am I talking a lot about it? Because we're going to go in there next, not in this video, but in another series, as now the Logan Avenue on-ramp and off-ramp is now no longer with us. Farewell, Logan Avenue on-ramp and off-ramp. I do miss you. It's actually terrible to think that now, unfortunately, I will not have such an easy time getting on the highway, as you do have to drive a significant portion down to the lake shore, or go up to the Don Valley Parkway and get on there through Pottery Road or Bloor or wherever you want to go. But it's just not convenient. And I do want to say that it seems to me like there's a lot more traffic in this area than there was before because of the closure of this ramp. All right, guys, that's it. The farewell officially to what is no more the Logan Avenue on-ramp